Please welcome to the stage Çetin Ozbutun.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're introducing Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse, which combines the best attributes of open source analytics, including Apache Iceberg, with the best Oracle database technology. Customers like Iceberg because of its openness and interoperability. They don't like to be locked into any particular vendor, so they love Iceberg. Iceberg provides this openness and interoperability, but it leaves performance, concurrency, security as an exercise to the user. Oracle removes these trade-offs with a no-compromise Lakehouse solution. Oracle, with Iceberg, gives you an enterprise data platform with open flexibility. It's available across OCI, AWS, Azure, and GCP. Oracle Database has long been a leader for data warehousing and analytics, offering mature, mission-critical capabilities that customers rely on for their most demanding data warehousing workloads. It offers support for complex, highly concurrent workloads. It has real-time ingestion and analysis. It has a robust, mature ecosystem of tools, analytics tools, and blazing performance with Exadata. These are the capabilities that many of our customers rely on for their enterprise data warehouses, truly mission-critical systems that keep their businesses running. AI Lakehouse brings these strengths to a modern Lakehouse architecture. We recognize that customers are leveraging a variety of newer technologies. For example, data science teams use open source tools like Spark for bulk processing. Enterprises increasingly store their data in inexpensive and scalable object stores using open file formats like Parquet, Avro, and others. The rise of these open file formats has established Iceberg as the leading Lakehouse standard for open table formats. By merging Oracle Database's leading performance, reliability, and security with the openness of Iceberg, AI Lakehouse gives you the best of both worlds. Autonomous AI Lakehouse is the next evolution of Autonomous Data Warehouse. Existing Autonomous Data Warehouse instances will transition to AI Lakehouse later this month. Full Autonomous Data Warehouse capabilities are retained, and major new features deliver full Lakehouse functionality, which I will try to detail a little later. But first, let's talk to a customer who has been using Autonomous Data Warehouse for years.
Since humans first welcomed pets into their lives, there's always been one constant universal truth. Pets love us, and we love them back. They support us and trust us, and in return, we care for them unconditionally. We're Mars Veterinary Health, with more than 70,000 associates caring for over 10 million pets each year, across 3,000 veterinary clinics around the world, bringing love, health, and happiness in the only way we know how. Powered by data, driven by people, and united by our shared purpose, a better world for pets.
Alejandro, please come onto the stage. Good to see you again.
Good to see you, Çetin.
How are you?
Very good.
Please.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
30 million visits, pet visits a year. That's a lot of pet visits, and it must be a lot of data that's flowing. Are you reconciling the bills and the visits every day, Alejandro?
Well, yes. Each of our 3,000 hospitals perform reconciliations and have the visibility and the accountability for accounts receivable and pet visits. So we have very disparate systems on-prem and on the cloud, And you can imagine the amount of integration and data movement that is needed. But let me give you an example of how we use Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse, contributing to our global enterprise systems. We had a mission of closing the financial period more efficiently than ever before, in just 2 days, for all our business units simultaneously. So we needed something that worked for that. We needed to be able to provide the business with that agility in decision-making, with improved operational efficiency, and with that strengthened control environment. So what we did, we connected 13 different systems and applications. At the center of it is Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse. And we added a couple information from 2 cloud platforms. We created 48 different pipelines, data pipelines, and are able to process 8 million transactional records every 30 minutes. So basically, our end users can see data real time. And we do it, it's not a simple movement of data. We're also doing transformations. We're calculating APIs. And we're integrating the data, sharing that same data with our Mars corporate financial consolidation system. So all of that end-to-end happens in just 30 minutes, every 30 minutes. So
this is really impressive, Alejandro. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tell me why Oracle Cloud, and specifically why Oracle AI Lakehouse was chosen.
So we needed efficiency. We needed timely decisions. So it needed to be fast. So we knew Oracle provides the speed. We're growing, so we needed the scalability. And we knew Oracle had that too. We wanted also, of course, one solution for all our business units. So the hospitals can focus on what they do best, which is take care of pets. And we already had the internal talent. So just let me mention a couple of names here. Amar, Min, Jamie, Michael. These guys are fantastic. Anyway, it was an easy choice, Oracle AI Lakehouse. We have gotten amazing performance. We had the ease of implementation. And we have the built-in data applications that come with it. And that is really nice to have all those tools built in that are ready to be used, that are low-code, simple. So it has really become our Lakehouse platform. We are exchanging data and feeding downstream reporting applications with it, sharing data with our business units, sharing data with other stakeholders around the world. So it's such a complete platform. We can implement new business process solutions very quickly across the whole globe. So,
can you talk a little bit about these tools that you're using and the performance you're seeing?
Sure. So we're using, as I said, some built-in tools. We're using some parts of Data Studio. We're using data transforms. We're using Apex. We're also using other external tools, Oracle Essbase, people interacting with Excel and Power BI, and OCI data integration as well. But everything works with it. It's accessible and it's easy. We went, actually, in terms of performance, we went from refreshing initially less than 3 million records every 30 minutes for summarized data. And today, we are processing 8 million records, also every 30 minutes. So the database is performant. We're able to do it. We just increased a little bit some eCPUs, but it's working. So the performance, the openness, the innovations in all these built-in tools, and the AI capabilities, that's exactly what we needed from a database. So it really accelerates our business processes. We believe it's the right choice. We made that right choice with staying with Oracle.
Amazing. So you mentioned about growing and scaling, and you're pretty aggressive in your rollouts. Tell me a bit more about your plans for the future.
So in the future, we want to keep using and democratizing data. We have plans of using AI on top of the database. So for example, we can do some traditional AI like autonomous, like anomaly detection or predictive analytics, but agentic AI, I think, is where we really want to explore. Accelerating those business processes, accelerating decision-making, getting insights into the data. That's really what we want. We continue also, we're going to continue expanding on the use of the built-in tools. So data catalog, for example, is one in mind. So we consider our company an innovator. We consider Oracle an innovator. We are a pioneer in animal healthcare with a mission to make a better world for pets with our global connected network of care. So, there's one thing, though, that I wanted to ask you. So one of my dreams or vision is that somehow in the future we have an AI service that you can plug into any data source, right? So if you have data in Databricks, plug into Databricks. You have data in Oracle, plug it to Oracle, or Azure SQL or whatever it is. And you can run AI on those pieces of data and make, accelerate business processes, get insights into the data, decision making, right? So, Çetin, do you think Oracle can help us with that?
That's exactly what I'm going to talk about, Alejandro. Thank you very much for coming. And I'll describe everything that we're doing just for that.
Thank you, Çetin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
OK. Let's now see how Oracle makes it easy to apply AI across all your data wherever it resides. First new area of innovation in Autonomous AI Lakehouse is data access. How do you know what data you have in your enterprise? And how do you access that data, even if it's spread across different clouds or different data platforms? It's helpful to begin with a bit of a market context. Data platform landscape is in the midst of significant evolution. Cloud platforms delivered strong analytics value, but data silos persist. Data remains locked in vendor-specific formats. It's therefore difficult to unify and use all your data together across the enterprise. Industry is shifting towards open, interoperable architectures. Customers are increasingly looking to adopt open table formats like Apache Iceberg. They want to avoid vendor lock-in and eliminate data silos. They demand flexibility to use the best engine per workload, perhaps on an even per query basis. They want all this without any data movement or duplication, with lower cost and complexity. This is the environment in which Autonomous AI Lakehouse is designed to thrive. To support this interoperability, we built a new data catalog that enables browsing, easy browsing, and discovery across platforms. It has a catalog of catalogs architecture. There's no need to centralize all your data or metadata in a single catalog. It integrates with existing catalogs, for example, from those that come from, let's say, AWS Glue, Databricks Unity Catalog, or Snowflake's Polaris. It delivers a unified, governed view of your entire data estate across all clouds. It unlocks combined power of Oracle Database and AI on all your data wherever it lives. So what does this catalog mean for you? Oracle is delivering plug-and-play SQL access to every table via this catalog of catalogs. So you just mount an external catalog, for example, AWS Glue, and instantly start querying all tables defined in that catalog. You just query these tables using the familiar database link syntax. Select from table at catalog name. There are no new skills required to learn anything. Any Oracle SQL tool can query this external data seamlessly. Just one action to mount this catalog can expose thousands and thousands of tables that may be defined in that catalog to the Autonomous AI Lakehouse. It unlocks full power of the Oracle database across any lakehouse. No extra coding or custom integrations are required. It works with Oracle, Databricks, Snowflake, AWS native services, and more. Let's see how all of this really works in a simple demo. Please.
In this demo, I'm going to show you how to search for and use all of your organization's data across different clouds and in different formats without complex integration using Autonomous Database. I work for a movie streaming service and I want to analyze my organization's customer data so I can target our top satisfied users, aged 18 to 25, for personalized promotions. I'll begin by navigating to the catalog from my Autonomous Database console. Here, I'll check for files in cloud storage. I see recent customer survey data from the marketing team. I'll simply select this data, and with a few clicks, I can immediately load or link it into the database so it's available for my analysis. Now I'll use AI to add a description of the newly loaded table, so all future catalog users can easily understand what data it contains. Next, I'll connect to my data in AWS so I can search for even more customer data that's relevant to my analysis. It only takes 3 quick steps to set up the connection, and all my data from the AWS Glue catalog, including Iceberg tables, will be immediately available to query and use without any data movement. Now my AWS Glue data catalog appears in the list to explore. And you can also see that my company's data from Databricks was previously added to the catalog. As I look through my data in the AWS Glue catalog, I find user sessions data that tracks how long customers spend watching movies on the streaming service. And on Databricks, I find some demographic data. All the data I'm browsing in the Autonomous Database catalog is immediately available to query from SQL. I can easily ask the database which catalogs are available and which tables they contain, including Iceberg tables. Now I can see that my data from Databricks, AWS Glue, and the customer survey data from OCI Cloud Storage are all available to me to query. And instead of complex integration, I can run a SQL query that combines the data from all my sources with my sales data located in Autonomous Database. And that's it. My analysis shows my top customers, ages 18 to 25, who have the highest watch times and have rated 8 out of 10 or higher in the survey. Autonomous Database makes it easy to access all your data without complex data integration.
So catalog of catalogs is the foundation of our open lakehouse strategy. Immediate enterprise-wide access to Iceberg data is step 1, not the finish line. Performance, high-performance access is critical for all lakehouse workloads. We've introduced features specifically to deliver exceptional performance on Iceberg data. First, a very cool new feature we're introducing is Oracle Data Lake Accelerator for high-speed queries on massive Iceberg data in object storage. Typically, database servers run on a limited number of nodes. When accessing object stores where the Iceberg data lives, limited nodes may be a performance problem. This is because object stores provide certain throughput for each virtual machine or compute server that's talking to it. So the more compute servers or virtual machines you have talking to the object store on your behalf, the higher bandwidth you can accumulate. With Data Lake Accelerator, we can scale out via multiple on-demand query servers for multi-petabyte level scans. It's serverless, it auto-provisions for active queries and scales down or shuts down when idle. The end result is much faster performance with pay-per-use efficiency. In addition to Data Lake Accelerator, which is optimized for ad hoc scans of massive Iceberg datasets, another cool new feature is Exadata-based Iceberg table caching. This caching accelerates repeatedly queried datasets. For example, when you're analyzing your sales for last week's sales or last month's sales. This is persistent native Exadata storage cache, not just in memory. So it scales to tens or even hundreds of terabytes of data. It's ideal for high-performance analytics on the subsets of multi-petabyte lakehouses that are accessed repeatedly. There are no code changes required to get this caching benefit with full data consistency. The end result is it delivers Exadata speed and reliability on lakehouse data without any compromises. Internal testing that we have done on TPC-DS queries showed 5 times performance improvement. And then, after delivering Exadata performance for Iceberg tables, we unlock all of the power of Oracle AI database and on all the Iceberg tables that may be stored in the object store. We can access any Iceberg table with SQL queries, but we also bring the full power of Oracle's converged database to Iceberg tables. For example, you can do graph analytics on Iceberg data. You will be able to build AI vector index on Iceberg data. All of the JSON flexibility and functionality is available on Iceberg. Select AI is available on Iceberg data, so you can query all your Iceberg data using your natural language. To give you a quick example, I'd like to show you another demo of our new AI capabilities built into our AI Lakehouse. This week, we introduced Select AI Agents, an agentic framework running natively in Autonomous AI Database and AI Lakehouse to build agents that are tightly integrated with Oracle data. Using this framework, we built a new data science agent to accelerate data preparation, analysis, and modeling. Let's take a quick look.
Welcome to the Data Science Agent, your AI assistant within Oracle Autonomous AI Database, powered by Select AI. It helps you seamlessly search across data catalogs, prepare and explore data interactively, uncover key insights, and transform them into actionable results, all without writing a single line of code. Let's create a new conversation and title it Marketing Campaign. We're stepping into the role of a data analyst at a bank. Our goal is to launch a new campaign for promoting term deposits. But first, what data do we have? The agent searches across catalogs and finds the most relevant data sets: clients, past outcomes, contact details, and new prospects from sales. Let's take a look at our clients. The agent analyzes each attribute and provides snapshots on age distribution, job categories, marital status, and more, giving you key insights on your customers at a glance. We can now focus on our business objective, finding the best customers to target for our new campaign. This is where an agent really shines. It translates our simple request into a complete, actionable workflow, from preparing data to scoring clients. Let's start with data preparation. The agent joins relevant tables from different catalogs into a unified view and engineers new features from timestamps like contact day and month. The agent provides the underlying SQL code for transparency, along with a visual diagram to trace lineage, so expert users can validate every step. The agent guides us to explore customer behavior, revealing key drivers of subscriptions like seasonality and financial stability, showing that clients with higher balances and no housing loans are more likely to subscribe. But this is only the start. Customer behavior can be based upon the interplay of many factors, so we turn to more sophisticated machine learning models to predict outcomes. In this case, a random forest delivers the strongest results, reaching more than 90% accuracy. Finally, a model is only valuable if we can act on it. With the model ready, the agent scores our list of prospects and ranks the clients most likely to subscribe. This gives the marketing team a clear focus, directing efforts where they'll have the greatest impact. Ultimately, the data science agent provides completely new ways to interact with your data. A simple, natural language interface that manages end-to-end workloads running entirely within a secure, autonomous AI database environment.
Okay. So finally, I wanted to talk about the relationship of mission-critical data to Iceberg. While several other vendors support Iceberg, if you listen to their messages carefully, they're suggesting that you should bring all of your data to the Lakehouse. Oracle is doing something different here. We offer the flexibility to seamlessly connect Iceberg data with your most essential operational systems. So you're not limited to running AI Lakehouse solely on top of Iceberg data. You can also integrate your Lakehouse with mission-critical systems across your enterprise. This holistic approach means that AI insights generated from the Lakehouse can be delivered directly into your core business processes. If you have data that's not in Iceberg and you want to move that data into Iceberg, you can do so faster with Oracle than competing technologies. Oracle Golden Gate plus Autonomous AI Database Transforms provide direct pipelines to Iceberg from hundreds of different data sources. It supports major software as a service applications, or a lot of on-prem applications, and all the leading databases as sources. It's proven Oracle integration technology with decades of enterprise experience. And that's just the start of connecting operational systems to Iceberg. Earlier, I discussed our new data catalog, which enables seamless access to any Iceberg table in any cloud or any data platform. Coming soon, these catalog capabilities will be available in every Oracle 26 AI database, on-prem or cloud, operational or analytical. This means every Oracle AI database gains plug-and-play SQL access to all Iceberg tables across your enterprise. Why is this important? Okay, while Lakehouses provide a powerful foundation for AI innovation, Oracle uniquely addresses this last-mile challenge of enabling you to operationalize insights and embed analytics in your core business workflows with fewer pipelines and point-to-point connections to build and maintain. Oracle Autonomous AI Lakehouse improves OpenTable Iceberg in every dimension. 100% of Oracle SQL Analytics is supported, powered by Exadata performance. 100% of Oracle workloads and applications, including real-time processing, becomes available on Iceberg. 100% of Oracle AI capabilities, including AI vector search, comes to Iceberg. 100% of enterprise data can be made available through one catalog of catalogs. It's available in 100% of the leading clouds and cloud at customer. So let's try to summarize. Oracle AI Lakehouse provides three major benefits. Number one, a data platform without lock-in. It's open, interoperable, centered on Apache Iceberg, runs on every cloud. OCI, AWS, Azure, GCP, and it coexists with other vendors' data platforms, such as those from Databricks or Snowflake or BigQuery. Number two, it delivers a lakehouse without compromise that combines the openness with Iceberg's openness with Oracle AI database performance, reliability, and security. Number three, it enables AI-powered operations. Every Oracle database can tap into Lakehouse and operationalize insights without heavy pipelines or custom code. This is unique to Oracle. You can bring Iceberg data directly into your transactional business processes. Lastly, many of you have probably heard Larry and TK talk about AI Data Platform that was announced this week. AI Data Platform includes Autonomous AI Lakehouse. It includes generative AI functionality in Oracle OCI. It also includes a fully managed open source ecosystem, including Spark. It provides best of both worlds, Oracle AI database plus open source stack. On OCI, a complete managed Oracle Red Stack with open source plus Autonomous AI Lakehouse in a single platform. On other clouds, it integrates existing lakehouses like those from Databricks, Snowflake, or BigQuery, and run Autonomous AI Lakehouse over that same data. The outcome is a comprehensive end-to-end Oracle Red Stack on OCI, an open, interoperable, multi-cloud solution everywhere else. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you.